What's up, guys? Today we're gonna snap these branches from those trees if you saw the other video. So let's get into it. So it takes a little bit of manpower to do this. So you grab the branch and you're trying to snap it the hardest you possibly can. I mostly do it like this. So that is an example what you do, and then you throw it over there. But then I'm gonna put it in the bucket. I'm gonna snip from here, so I'm just going to do this, and do this, and a little bit of this.
Yeah.
Okay, my brother's got to do it. I can do it. So now my brother's got to try to do it. He made some cream out of it. Okay, it's time to get this big chomper. I call this the big fat chomper. I can't even. I'm trying to do it, guys. Oh, it's really hard. Ow. Okay, I got to do this, guys. So this is really hard. Come on. Stop it.
It's good, it's good.
We caught it. This big fat, this boy. Bruh, you do it like this. Got it? So I got to do this again. So now, let's get into it. Snipty. Little chomper. Okay. We just got to do like 5 more snips. But what are you trying to do? Ah, see one. And then this one.
This big one right here.
But how am I supposed to cut that? Probably. Wait, let me see. It can't even fit. It can't even. Sadly. So now I'm gonna do this. And kick this out of here. And do it again until this whole branch is done. Oh yeah, that's good. Get away. So now I just want to put on this and see how big is this thing. It's tiny. Put it away. I found it. Come on, little. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do this. Oh. I'm gonna go on this side because that side lay my barn in. Oh, yeah. 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 Yes, I'm doing it. Okay, that's a little bit too big, so let's just snappy snap. Snappy snap. Go. Yes. Okay, so now we just eat that. No, what? Where is this thing? Oh, you get snapped. Get that away. So now there's a whole bunch, but I'm literally too tired to even do a lot. So this has got to be my last tiny snip. Okay, so make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video with your friends and other people. So bye. Okay.